So what we'll be doing now is doing instantaneous rate of change and average rate of change. So let's say we had the problem h parenthesis t equals negative 16t squared plus 15t plus 200. So we're going to try and find this if the speed equaled 1 and if the speed was 3. So you're going to write s instead of h because h talks about like height and stuff like that, and s is talking about the speed, and t is time or how many times it's going to happen. So you're going to take negative 16 times 2 because the 2 comes from the square, which you're going to bring down here. And then it's going to be t1 because since you brought this 2 down here, the t is going to change to having only 1 t. And then plus 15 times 1. It's the same thing. T always means 1, so it's times 1. And then your answer you're going to get is negative 32t, because remember you have the same t here, plus 15, because 15 times 1 is going to be 15. Then your speed, if it was 1, you're going to write that in here. And then you're going to do negative 32 plus 15, and that's going to equal negative 17. And then if you had 3 as your speed, then it's going to be negative 32 times 3, because you're going to bring it over here. And you're going to add 15. And then you're going to get negative 96 plus 15, because you bring that down and you multiply those two together to get this number. And you're going to get negative 81. And so that's your answer for if your speed was 1, you would get negative 17. And if your speed was 3, your answer would be negative 81. So then we're going to come down here to average rate of change. And you're going to make the h, and then you're going to have a 0 here for the 200. Because you still have the 200 here, and you're going to bring it down because you took it out because we didn't need it during the instantaneous change. So here you're going to have 3. It's going to be h3 equals negative 16 times 9 plus 15 times 3 plus 200. That's going to get you negative 440 because these two put together, and then these two put together is going to get you 45, and this you just bring it down, and then you get 101. So once you get that, you're going to use your 200 and you're subtracting the 100 that you got, and you're going to do it over negative 3, which is from here. You're going to get 99, and then divided by 3, negative 3, and then you're going to get negative 30. So that's going to be your average rate of change answer. And these two are going to be your instantaneous rate of change answers.